You are welcome to today's class. In this class, we will tackle this problem under vector. We're told that if vector A is equals to 5i plus 6j, find the magnitude of vector A. So first thing we write is our solution. We're told that vector A is equals to this. That is, vector A equals to 5i plus 6j. Okay? So magnitude of vector A, that is magnitude of vector A. You see, these two dash here represent, this is vector A, right? Why these two dash represent magnitude of vector A? A magnitude of vector A simply equal to the square root of, you find the square root of the square of this plus the square of this number. That is the square root of 5 square plus 6 square. So that gives us 5 square plus 6 square. Okay, so magnitude of vector A equals to 5 square simply means 5 times 5, and that is what? 25, plus 6 square simply means 6 times 6, that is 36. So magnitude of vector A equals to 25 plus 36, that is equals to what? 61. This is our final answer because 61 is not a perfect square. So we can't find the square root of 61. It's not a perfect square. So we leave our answer like this. So stay tuned for more tutorial videos. Do well to subscribe, like, and comment.